So what we're looking here is looking at the commands here. So let's go in and do dir. So dir shows me I have my memory location of flash 0. And then I see my universal. So there's my iOS, right? Here's your platform, the feature set, whether it's compressed or not, and then the version number .bin. Show flash 0 : So flash shows us what's in flash. So there's no other. So when I do dir, it shows me only one flash. So if there's another flash, then I would have to change it from dir flash 0. So what we're going to do is try to find out if TFTP is working on my server. So I go to services. I come down here. We'll come back to network time protocol. So TFTP, it is turned on. And you can see that we have all these files here. So I'm just going to remove a few. So first thing we want to do is see if we can ping the server. So from the server, let's ping the router, which is 192.168.1.1. We want to test connectivity first. So the service is on, and we should be able to run the command copy what you want to do is, if you'd like to type, go ahead and type this file name, but it's very long. Copy ? So we want to copy flash and then I hit paste. No, paste comes next. TF, let's do ? TFTP source file name. So that's why I copied. Remember, I copied this up here. So now we can go down here and we can paste. Make sure there's no space at the end. Common mistake. And then the host is the server, which is .2. So we need to put in the address of or name of the host. We're not doing name because we're not using DNS. We're not going to go through that, but you could do name if DNS is working. So I hit enter with the IP in. It's saying, remember, anything in brackets, it wants you to confirm or change the file name. So I'm going to change the file name to today. Explanation points means it's actually sending the file to the server. So it's done. When we go back to the server, we want to go back to services, and we want to look at TFTP. And there's my new file today. We also can copy start. Oh, first we want to see if there's a start. Show start. All right, so this is saved. Notice I did show start. Has IPs, no shutdown. So there's a little config on here. Copy. Startup config to TFTP. Host is 192. File name. You had 2 exclamation points, but if we notice up here, we had a lot of exclamation points. Tell me why. File size. File size. So if we go back here now, we must come back, refresh TFTP, and we should see start hello class. So you're just copying files back and forth using TFTP service, which means you have to have the service running on a client, in this example, the server. So network time protocol. Let's go ahead and see, show run. We're looking for network time protocol command. There it is. All right, so let's remove it. So paste. So show clock. It looks like it's 1,400 hours, 45 minutes, and 59 seconds. All you non-military, if you don't know how to do time in military, C14, it's easy. You take 12 and whatever it adds to, so 12 minus 14 is 2 o'clock. That's how you do military time. So 1,600 minus 12 is 12. 16 minus 12 is 4. Okay. Well, all right. So it's March 14th.
That's what I could have answered.
What's that?
That sucks. That's one I could have answered. Come on.
No. Okay. Well, I know probably who could answer and who couldn't. I can tell you that. All right. So let's set time. Oh, how do you do clock? See what I'm doing? I don't remember the command. Okay, so let's set time at, current time is 3. Oh, so 03 colon 42 seconds or 0. Incomplete command. Oh, month. No, I gotta do day. So today is 1st of the 7th month. Month of the year. Oh, they want month. What's the month? Man, that's a long command. That's why I never remember it. Look at that. All right, so we set the time, right? All right, so what I'm going to do now is go to the server. I'm going to look at what time it is. We are March 2019, 2 o'clock. Okay, so show clock. So current time, right? Now let's go back in and turn on network time protocol. So remember, we're setting NTP, server, and then the IP address. So once again, let's do show clock. July 1, right? Okay. Now it's enabled, it's on. Let's do a fast forward time down here, bottom left. So if you hack an environment and change the network time protocol, you can actually disrupt the network services. So that's a lesson on copying. Whether it's let's do the real quick. I forgot we can do the switch. A switch also can copy. So copy startup config TFTP. Host is a host name or IP. So we'll put in the IP of the host. We're going to name it switch config. We'll name it today's Flav. It copied to successful, small payload, right? 1068 bytes. And we go to TFTP again. Go to the bottom, we see Today Flav. From the famous Flav La Flav from the MTV series. So there is your lesson on NTP and also copying files through TFTP.